going to let go of that wall. He says that he will, but he's just a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other watches him close from that wire. He says he wants to as well, but he is a liar. Two birds on a wire. One tries to fly away, and the other.
Yeah, I have to make the video longer so that it'll be a video. So I have to make it longer. You can go ahead and click off this video, check out one of my other videos. Thank you to all my supporters. I love you guys so much. I hope you like the animation. I'm sorry if it's bad animation. I'm not good at animation. I'm not that good at animation. I'm trying my best though. But I'm gonna have to make this video longer so that it's a video so that copyright don't get me. I don't know how that works, but it's fine. So you can go ahead and click off the video. Maybe go check out one of my other videos. They're all pretty good except for my old ones. Don't check out my old ones. Just check out some of the newer ones, maybe. But all my videos are pretty good, I think. So if you could go check them out, that would be amazing. And if you could like and subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers this year. So if you could subscribe, that would be great. Yeah. Please. I'm trying my best. I don't know what I'm gonna do at 1K though. But you can comment some ideas so maybe I could do one. Bye.